Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to print a diamond shape using star or number. For demonstration purpose I am going to use Java programming language, but the logic is same for all other programming language. For simplicity I divided this process into two simple steps. Step 1 is we are going to print a pyramid or say equilateral triangle. In our last video I already have described everything about how to print a pyramid, so in this video I am not going to describe anything about it, rather I am going to focus on how to print a diamond. So this is our first step. In the second step what we are going to do is we are going to print a reverse pyramid under of this pyramid. So though it will basically look like a diamond, but this is not our final goal, because in the center portion of this diamond there is a two line with same length of star, but in a diamond there should be a single line with a maximum number of stars in the middle. So to get that we need to remove any one of the line from the middle, so we'll get this. So let's see how we're going to achieve this by code. So this is our Eclipse IDE for Java programming language, and I took this code from our last video, and let's see what this code will return. So I just run this program, and in our console this code is returning a pyramid or so-called equilateral triangle. So if you want to learn how to print a pyramid, then please watch our last video. In that video I explain all of this code in very details. So now in this video I am not going to say anything about this code, and our next goal is to print the same pyramid but in reverse order under it. For that I just copy this block of code and paste it under of it. Okay, now if I save and execute, how it will return is it will return two pyramid one after another, but we want this pyramid to be print in reverse order. For that what we have to do is we have to change these conditions. So we are not going to touch our outer loop, as our outer loop is responsible for the height. So we want to keep the height as 5. So in the inner loop first we initialize a variable k with 5 minus 1. So instead of that I want to initialize it with 0, and I just reverse this condition, that is I less than k, and remove this decremental operator and change it to incremental operator, as well as I change this condition from j equal to 0 to j equal to 4, because our I will go 0 to 4, so the maximum value of j is 4, and change this to j greater than equal to I and j minus minus. Now if I do save and if I run it again, you see we already achieve our second step. So though we achieved our second step, but still we didn't achieve our goal, because a diamond should have a maximum length in its middle, right? But in this case we can see there are two rows with a maximum number of stars in the middle of this diamond, so that is wrong, right? So we need to remove any one of this line. So as this line is a part of the upper triangle, so I'm not going to touch this, rather I'm going to remove this line. So for that we need to do some small changes from our condition. So for that what I do is I make this condition as less than equal to. So what it will do is now we need to print our code from here, right? So for that I need an extra space before printing the first star. So this will help me to achieve that. So now the k value is 0 and I value is also 0 at the beginning of the loop. So k less than equal to I, that is true, so it will print a extra star before printing any other star. Okay, so now we'll look into this, because currently this for loop is printing 5 star from 4 to 0, that is printing 5 star, but I need to print only 4 star. So for that if I remove this equal, so if I keep it as j greater than I, then it will execute 4 star. Okay, so let's save it and run it. Let's see how it will print. Okay, now see, it will exactly print as a diamond how we want, right? So that's the code for printing a diamond shape in Java, but the logic is same for all other language. Now we will see how we can print the same diamond by using number. So for that we need an extra variable. So I declare a variable at the beginning of our code like int x and initialize it with value 0. Okay, now in the first for loop I just make it increment like x plus plus to make the value of x as 1, because we want to start this pyramid from value 1. And here I just print the value x and append this space. Okay, instead of star I am using x and I am append a space after it. How it will print? So I just save it and I just run it. So you see, so first pyramid is printing with number. First row is containing only single 1, second row containing double 2, third row is triple 4, like that way it is printing. But our next pyramid is printing only star because we didn't print any number within it. So now I do a decrement operator on x, and instead of star I am printing x over here and append a space with it. Now if I do save and run it again, now our pyramid is properly printed with number. So it's look good, right? So the first row of the pyramid is printing single 1, the second row is double 2, third row is triple 3, and the middle portion is printing the highest number with the highest length. Same way the down part is decrementing according to the size and number. So that's it, all about printing the diamond shape using star and number. If you understand this video well, then please give it a like, or if you have any question or any doubt, please comment it down, and see you in next video. Thank you.